So here we're going to look at the linear search. I have an array, it is unsorted, and if you have a look at the algorithm, then we set found to false and the index of the position is -1. So I'm looking for search item 101. I check in position 0, it's not there. So found remained false and position remains -1. I check in 1, same thing, it doesn't exist. In 2, it does not exist. In 3, we're still out of luck. But in position number 4 of the array, we find that we have 101. So we change the found variable from found to true, and we change the position variable to the current item in the array, the current position in the array, sorry. And that's a linear search. We just iterate the array one by one until we find the item. If at the end we have not found the item, it returns false and the position -1.